Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the series of masterclass about Japanese culture. And we are here again with one more very important aspect of Japanese culture, that is the social interactions and the way we should interact, and the kind of language and the kind of approach we should have and attain in order to, bridge up with Japanese, right? So without delaying it, let's begin with our session. Yeah, extremely sorry for this. And okay, let's begin. Hi, korekara hajimemasu. So here we are talking today. We'll be talking about social interactions and small talk. Right? This is also a very important aspect in every culture that when we are sitting with others and we are into social gatherings or small social gatherings and how we need to, convey our, gesture, conjuncture, right? And what should be what should be our pitch of talking, mode of talking, that's also very important. So, facts about uniqueness of the Japanese. French uses gendered nouns, masculine and feminine, influencing adjectives, articles, and verbs, adding complexity and cultural depth to the language, right? So, this is about the French culture. Nearly one third of English words have French origins, especially in domains like law, diplomacy, cuisine, and fashion. Now let's see. Start and maintain a small talk. When we need to maintain a small talk or to begin with a small talk. Like it's mentioned that useful Japanese phrases, conversation starter. O shigoto wa nan desu ka? What is your job? O shigoto wa dou deshita ka? How was your work? Shumi wa nan desu ka? What is your hobby? Jimoto wa donna tokoro desu ka? What kind of place is your hometown? Senchumatsu wa nani o shimashita ka? What did you do last weekend? Right? So I just repeat all these phrases because these are very small phrases but very, very useful. Right? O shigoto wa nan desu ka? What is your job? Shigoto wa dou deshita ka? How was your work? Shumi wa nan desu ka? What are your hobbies? Jimoto wa donna tokoro desu ka? What kind of place is your hometown? Senshumasu wa nani o shimashita ka? What did you do last weekend? Now, what is the difference between formal and informal kind of language? That formal comprises of full forms of the verbs and informal is the plain forms, right? Like tabemas is a formal and taberu is the plain form. Then common small talk topics in Japan. Talking about breakfast in Japanese. Did you have breakfast? Asa gohan o tabemashita ka? Reply comes, yes, I did, but only had a little. Hai, tabemashita. Demo sukoshi desu. Then, what did you eat? Nani o tabemashita ka? I had yogurt and coffee. Yogato to kohi takedesu. That's too little. You should also have bread and fruit. Sukunai desu ne. Pan ya kudamono tabeta hoga ii desu yo. Then comes greetings and introduction. Greetings, konnichiwa saying hello, ohayo, good morning, konbawa, good evening, sayonara, bye bye, jane, see you. And how to say hello in Japanese? Good morning is ohayo. How how is it going? Do yo. How your day? 今日はどんな感じ Joshiwa do desu ka? What's up? Hello, konnichiwa. Mata oi dekite ureshi desu. Mata oi dekite ureshi desu. It's nice to see you again, right? And then long time no see. Oh, hisashiburi desu. Oh, hisashiburi desu. Hey, oi. Now next, discussing weather. When we are discussing the weather, ee tenki desu ne. Nice weather, isn't it? Atsui desu. It's hot. Samui desu. It's cold. Ame desu. It's rainy. Kumori desu. It's cloudy. Yuki desu. It's snowing. Kase desu. It's windy. Mushiatsui desu. It's humid. Japanese vocabulary about weather and seasons. Aki, autumn. Fuyu, winter. Natsu, summer. Komori, cloudy. Taiyo, sun. Ame, rain. Arashi, storm. Asa, morning. Atsui, hot. Samui, cold. Then discussing hobbies. To watch movies, ega o meru. To read books, hono yomu. To draw pictures, e o kaku. To cook food, ryorisuru. To make costumes, isho o sakuru. To cosplay, cosplay, watching animation or watching anime gansho, shopping, kaimono, video games, therapy game, journal topics in social gatherings. What kind of topics we have? How to introduce yourself in Japanese? Yuna desu. My name is Yuna. Miju Nanasai desu. I am 27 years old. Nihon no shushin desu. I am from Japan. Shumi wa dokusho desu. My hobby is reading. Ichinen kan Nihongo o benkyou shite imasu. I've been learning Japanese for a year's time. Next is basic questions in Japanese. Where is the bathroom? Toire wa doko desu ka? Like when we are out somewhere, and these are very small, small but very useful phrases. We need to pay attention, and just I request all of you to just learn it. Where is the bathroom? Toire wa doko desu ka? How much is this? Kore wa ikura desu ka? Do you have any recommendation? Osusume wa arimasu ka? Where is the train station? Eki wa doko desu ka? Do you speak English? Ego o hanasemasu ka? Then what are the culture nonsense? Aspect is greeting. When you greet, you bow in Japan and you handshake and say hi in America. When you communicate in Japan, the noun says that there is always an indirect communication. In USA, it is a direct communication. Eye contact in Japan, Japanese people make very limited eye contact, but in US, it's a frequent contact. Personal space, Japanese people keep more distance and no touching habit they have. Less distance and casual touch. Politeness, very formal. Japanese people are very formal, and USA people are friendly and casual. So this was all about the small social gatherings and what kind of uh, you know you know phrases we should use in terms of you know Japanese culture. And we should always keep on our mind that we need to be um, precise and polite, and every time, like, uh, what do you say? You have to be humble and modest, right? So here it is. And thank you all again. See you all again tomorrow.